Yeah, here we go, guys. We'll talk cold and then we'll go snow. The cold is probably the weather alert story right now because it is much colder this morning, but we're not into that bitter air just yet. It's lurking to the north and west, and that's going to start to funnel in on a northwest wind kick later today. It's only into the middle 30s area wide, but with the winds getting very gusty, near 20 miles an hour, we'll talk some wind chill values that will get down into the teens later this afternoon. Tonight, these are your actual air temperatures: 8, 6 in Morristown, 11 as you get into the Hoboken area, Jersey Shore at 11, and 12 into Long Island. So that is some real harsh cold as we go into the overnight hours. And with the winds, we could be talking about temperatures getting as cold as 15 below zero in the outer suburbs. So the Arctic air firmly in place, and then that sets the stage for our storm system, which will start to run along this Arctic boundary. So with this high to the north, this low is going to ride just to the south of it. And look at all the moisture coming up from the Pacific Ocean. We'll tap the Pacific, the Gulf, and the Atlantic into this system. So there's a lot of juice to work with this system as it pushes off towards the east. No concerns weather-wise in terms of snow or rain or ice as we go through Saturday. It's just the harsh wind chills and cold temperatures. As early as 8 o'clock in the morning, we'll see the snow breaking out over Monmouth and Ocean counties. It's into the city as we get through lunchtime, and I think we start to see the snow banding developing by 2 o'clock, and that'll take you right into Sunday evening. We are still anticipating some sleet that'll run up the coast, so we are looking at a mixture from the Driscoll Bridge down towards the Garden State Parkway, eastern Monmouth County, into the south-facing shore of Long Island, and then the storm will start to exit by Sunday night, early Monday morning. Watch out closely. Freezing rain concerns into interior South Jersey. If you have to get down the Turnpike or Parkway, you are going to run into some very dangerous sleet and freezing rain. However, on the north side where there's a much colder air, it is going to be a formidable snowstorm. 10 to 15 inches. Pix 11 snow max is around 18 inches in parts of the lower Hudson Valley and northern New Jersey. We've moved the 6 to 10 banding into central New Jersey. I think there still could be some mixing down around Manasquan, especially as you get down towards Manahawkin and Lacey Township, where we're keeping your numbers still at 4 to 6. But now the island, we're going to split the uprights. Mid-island north, it's going to be closer to 10. South-facing shore on the island, right around Jones Beach as you get around Gilgo Beach and down out towards Montauk, that's going to be right around, say, 8 or 9 inches of snow. So this is the battleground. Lower Manhattan into the south-facing shore. We'll have to watch that closely. If there's more cold air to work with, that's going to be an even bigger storm for the island. 17 on Saturday. That's your first weather alert. Your second weather alert on Sunday is, of course, the snowstorm. Monday, we're going to throw in a triple header here. Monday is a concern because of how cold it is and all of the ice across the area. Nothing is going to melt from this storm at 24 at day, 19 at night. Harsh temperatures by Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Maybe another storm as we go into the following weekend. We'll talk more about the storm in detail. We're going to take you county by county with the snow maps. That's coming up at 6:30. Here's Alexa Farrell.